Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds and w. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then, I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the sound in the word mourn. Mourn, mourn. Now the w sound in the word warn. Warn, warn. Now I will use them both in a sentence. It is worn by those who mourn. It is worn by those who mourn. It is worn by those who mourn. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!